James flips a biased coin. The probability that it will land on heads is twice the probability that it will land on tails. James flips the coin twice. Find the probability that it will land once on heads and once on tails. So here, the first step is to assume that this biased coin was flipped 3 times. So that's, we have to somehow get to the probability of head and probability of tail, because it's not a normal scenario where you'd have a probability of head is half and tail is half. So we made this assumption that suppose this biased coin was flipped 3 times, and out of these 3 tosses it would land on head twice and tails once, because the probability it lands on heads is twice the probability that it will land on tails. So to keep this this fact in mind, we say that out of the 3 tosses it would land on head twice and tails once. Okay, so then that means the probability of head, or PH, is 2 out of 3, and PT, probability tail, is 1 out of 3. So the next thing to do is to consider that he's now flipping the coin twice, and so when you have 2 coin tosses, you can have a head and head, a head, tail, tail, head, and a tail and a tail. We are not interested in the head and tail, so we only want, because it's not asked in the question, so we want to know what is head and tail and head, and that would be, so head and tail would be probability head times tail, and the next one would be tail multiplied by head probabilities, and so our answer is going to be 2 out of 3, because PH is 2 out of 3 and PT is 1 out of 3. So instead of PT I would write 1 out of 3, so 2 out of 3 times 1 out of 3, and you add the 2 conditions, and add the probability for the 2 things, 2 conditions, so you will get plus 1 out of 3 times 2 out of 3, and so that would give you 2 out of 9 plus 2 out of 9. The answer is 4 out of 9. Thank you so much for viewing. Thank you for your time. And for more maths problem solving videos, please visit my channel at Hypatia Math 147, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.